how to delete your eToro account and withdraw funds. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is get into your eToro and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here, sell any open stock, crypto, and commodity positions, right? So for that, what we're going to do is get to our homepage just like this, and then from there you will actually need to transfer all of your stock, crypto, and commodity positions. So after making sure that your account is on null, or you have like $0 left, now what we're going to do is simply get to our settings, right? So in here, let's just say you want to withdraw cash. Then if you want to withdraw cash, what you can actually do is navigate to withdraw funds and send the balance to your bank account too. So in here, let's just get into the settings. So tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, and then from there, what we're going to do is simply tap on account. Then you can see close your eToro account at the very bottom. So simply scroll all the way down and then tap on that option. Then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to delete your eToro account and withdraw all of your funds. They will all send you all of the prompts, so simply follow that, and like that you'll be able to do it. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.